How do you distinguish the sacred sound, the healing and ascending sound of the being in your heart, from the noises of your mind, from the disturbance produced by your rebellious thoughts around you? Stay in the peace of your heart, and allow the living being on the altar of the sacred temple in your heart to envelop you in the peace of his wisdom. Wisdom is a divine state of being through knowledge and understanding, and, at the same time, a way of ascension on the steps of your evolution. Wisdom is being in full harmony with the principles of the universe, the principles of the surrounding nature, and the principles of life. Wisdom is healing. The high vibration of wisdom has the power to heal any suffering, of whatever nature. The vibration of wisdom is a rhythmic sound. It is the sacred sound of love. It is the sacred sound that has the infinite power to regenerate all your compositions in the original matrix of the human species. The rhythm of this sacred sound is the rhythm of life, the pulsation of life. You can't hear it with your body's ears. You cannot capture and record it with any device. What we call the background noise of matter is an insurmountable barrier to any technical device. But you can listen to it with your heart. You can know it. You can give your life to the frequency of the sacred sound of life. In each cell of your body, there is a biological composition, through which the sacred sound reverberates in each chemical element, from which each cell is formed. The chemical elements, the substances that include the elements combining, acquire a unique quality when impregnated with the frequency of the sacred sound. We call that quality life, intelligent life, or the intelligence of living matter. Life is the quality that matter acquires when impregnated with the sacred sound of life, with the vibration of the matrix of life. Each species has its own matrix, a self-specific matrix. If all the species on Earth disappeared in a short time, life would burst onto the mother planet again, and the species would reappear, including the human species, because the sacred sound impregnated Mother Earth's body with all the matrices of species life. Before generating the rebirth of all the species of the Earth, the sacred sound will purify all the planet's composition by vibration on the frequency of love. We are made to live on planet Earth, as long as the planet exists. Thus, before modern humankind, there was much other humankind who self-destructed because of the deafening noises of their minds. Those noises of the unnatural have deserted the planet and destroyed all the other species. Non-being, non-living in full harmony with the principles of the universe, with the principles of the surrounding nature, with the principles of life, pushes life into the knee of extinction. No global conflict is needed to destroy the present life on Earth. It is enough to let the unnatural embrace our minds, and radiate deadly noises around us. Living in hell or in heaven is a choice for each of us. But for the human species and all other incarnate beings, it is a choice of ours, of all of us. to turn the planetary house into a hell or a heaven, for all the living ones now on the chest of Mother Earth, is exclusively the responsibility of the human species. We will all experience the effects of our choice, without exception. But if you want planet Earth to be a heaven for all incarnate beings, then sit in the peace of your heart, and allow the living being on the altar of the sacred temple in your heart, to envelop you in the peace of his wisdom. The holy healing sound will radiate around you, and it will shine in all the composition of the mother planet, Earth. You choose.